want to do is get from here to here. The first thing we do is we take those two casters there on the floor, we mount them right here on this back plate. We use these 8 bolts and the locking nuts to do that. Once that's done, we bring this over here, slide this bar on here. We use this piece that goes on the bar here. And these line up like that. And when you've got these lined up, you use these heavy bolts with the square heads on them to hold this together. Once that's on, you mount this bar against this ear right here, and you tie it into this ear right here. That gives you this setup with the back plate and support bar. Then you put the 2 main wheels on. There's pins here that go through here to hold the wheels on. The last thing you do is mount the magnet. It's got a pin, as you can see there, and there's a hole drilled back here on this mounting plate. You just stick that pin through there with a magnet. You want the handle in this position when you mount it, and you're ready to go.